right, we're back now. Mike has a full look at our forecast. I'm not going to lie, it's been a little bit too humid for me the past 24 hours, but sounds like we might get a break from that soon, hopefully.
Chloe, I cannot wait for that cold front tomorrow. Not even because like it's summer. You know what? It gets hot, it gets humid. It is what it is. But it's the nighttime temperatures that to me are just the worst.
Yep,
You don't get that break. Normally in the summer you think like, oh, it's no big deal, I'll just open up the windows at night, it'll be fine. But when it's still 75 degrees out all night long, that doesn't really help you out too much. We still have some low-level moisture lingering out there. We've got some fog starting to show up near Waterville. Waterville reporting visibility down to about 1/4 of a mile. So around the I-95 stretch, mile marker 130-ish, give or take, expect some fog to start to form. Could be a bit thick in some spots. We've also got fog being reported across the county and then south to the coastline down east. So eastern Maine dealing with fog right now too. Dew points still in the 70s. These won't change much today. I do expect most of us to stay in the upper 60s and low 70s for dew points, unlike yesterday where we made it into the mid and upper 70s. But it's still going to be quite humid out this afternoon. Factor in temperatures around 90 degrees. Heat advisories back in place for a lot of Maine, especially southwestern Maine through central Maine. And this does now include some areas down east, interior sections of Hancock and Washington counties. Air quality alert in effect for the MDI region too. Mostly just coastal Hancock County and the islands near the Penobscot Bay. I don't know that we're going to be talking too much more about heat in the long range though, which could be a nice change of pace. Things are looking a lot more comfortable starting about Sunday and lingering through at least Wednesday of next week, possibly all the way to the end of next week. Nothing to talk about here on the radar. Things are quiet. Pretty quiet start to the day other than the fog, and I don't really anticipate big changes. I don't think we have much of a severe weather threat today, nor do I think we're even going to see much in the way of showers or thunderstorms this afternoon. By 11, we're approaching the upper 80s and low 90s. We get there shortly thereafter and stay in the upper 80s and low 90s through most of the afternoon and evening. Notice no showers like we saw yesterday. We had some pop-up showers and thunderstorms that started to appear around 5 or 6, mostly across the higher terrain. Not something we're going to be dealing with at all today. But that changes tomorrow. This model in particular is very fast with that front. It has the front passing through early in the morning, clearing into central Maine as early as about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. If that is the case, if we actually move the cold front through that quickly tomorrow, we won't have any severe weather risk. For now, today, the highest risk for severe weather is going to be off to our west, mostly across upstate New York and parts of Vermont and western New Hampshire. Locally, again, maybe we will see a storm try to hold together as it rolls in, but really we'll just be dealing with hazy, hot, humid conditions and a lot of sunshine. And then after that, we watch this cold front approach tomorrow. The humidity finally starts to get pushed away. Behind this front, we dry out. And then on Sunday, we are looking just at magnificent weather. Light wind out of the northwest, nice dry air, dew points back into the 50s, maybe even the 40s during the day on Sunday with a lot of sunshine. And that's basically what we're going to be stuck with, or I guess not stuck with, that's what we're going to be enjoying for most of next week. Dew points slowly do start to climb by the middle of the week, back to about 60 degrees. So it gets progressively more sticky outside, but certainly much better than where we are. Big improvements on the way, and it's the overnight temperatures too, where you can really see that difference. Seas today 2 to 3 feet, southwest wind around 5 knots, water temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Hot south tomorrow, thunderstorms expected in the afternoon. Much less humid on Sunday, really nice Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then maybe Thursday will introduce the threat for late showers. And I'm not even too convinced on that. It really depends on how much moisture we can actually move back up into northern New England. Similar idea at the coastline. Temperatures right around 80 degrees for the next few days with overnight lows in the 50s. Chloe, this is like the best summer weather and quite possibly the nicest stretch that we're going to see all summer long.
Exactly. So we have something to look forward to, which is good. Just have
Yes.
to push through like the next day or so.
We'll make it.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Mike.